Hi guys, I'm going to be making a breakfast burrito today. I'm just going to be using leftover ingredients. You can easily do this with anything in your fridge. I have tortillas, I have some leftover taco meat, and I have a baked potato that I actually didn't use. So I'm going to cut that up. I'm going to put some cheese in the tortilla and warm up the meat. And that's my breakfast burrito. I've done this before where you do eggs and you can use potato and saute it in a pan and then throw some cheese on top and then throw it in your burrito too, or your tortilla. But anyways, it's a quick breakfast. You can use a lot of stuff in your fridge and just make a quick meal before you go to work. Alright, so first I'm going to be taking my tortilla and laying that out on my plate. Then I'm going to take I have a cutting board up here I'm going to have, and I'm going to cut my potato. I'm going to probably use about half of it. And just cut it into like little slices. I don't want the end. And then I'm going to have the leftover meat, but you could easily do this with an egg if you don't have any taco meat. Potato. Wrap this up for later. Now, you made this taco meat last night. This has a lot of stuff in it. We had some bell peppers in our fridge. We had some mushrooms we wanted to use up. We had some basil. And we had some onions. So we kind of just cook everything and then put taco seasoning on it. So it turned out really good. Very delicious and great leftovers. Sprinkle some cheese on top, and I'm going to add some taco sauce after I cook it. Alright, I'm going to cook it a little bit more. I want the cheese melted. Alright, so I've microwaved it, it's all warm. I'm going to put some little taco sauce. Like, you can use anything, salsa, anything that you want. You don't even have to use any taco sauce. I like it. And then there's like a trick to this. I think you fold the ends in and make it like a little burrito baby. Alright guys, so really good. Perfect for morning. It's filling. You can do this for lunch too or dinner. Definitely recommend it. Make some.